Have you ever solved a math problem using PEMDAS and still got it wrong? You follow the order, right? Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, and subtract. But somehow your answer doesn't match the book. Well, today I'm going to show you the real way PEMDAS work, including why people get confused and how to never mess it up again. PEMDAS is one of the first things we learn in math, but also one of the most misunderstood. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand PEMDAS, you'll be able to solve problems with confidence. So grab a notebook or type in the comments as we go along because I'll ask you to solve with me. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not first multiply, then divide, then add, then subtract. It's actually do multiplication and division from left to right, do addition and subtraction from left to right. So it's more like PEMD, pair, AS, pair. Think of it in pairs. Let's try a famous example, 8 divided 2 times 4. Pause the video or comment below. What's your answer? Some people do 2 times 4 first, which is 8. Then 8 divided by 8 equal 1, which is the wrong way to solve this problem. The right way, you go left to right. First, you need to divide 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Then you multiply 4 by 4 equals 16. When you see multiplication and division, don't just do multiplication first. You go from left to right. Alright, what do I mean from left to right? Look at these two problems. Both problems have the same numbers, but look at the signs. First, we're dividing in the first problem and multiplying. In the next problem, we are multiplying, then dividing. So division and multiplication are treated at the same level. We solve them from left to right. So go ahead and try solving these two problems. I will just show the answers right away. So in the first problem is 16, and in the second problem, it is 4. You see? Same numbers, but look at the signs. They have to be treated at the same level. So remember, we solve from left to right. Now try this one, 10 minus 3 plus 2. Go ahead and comment your answer down in the comments. Some might do 3 plus 2 first equal 5. Then 10 minus 5 equal 5. But that's wrong. Remember, it's from left to right. First, you need to subtract 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 7 plus 2 will equal 9. If you got 9, you are on the right track. Going back to the same problem, it's not wrong. You simply didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. So let's understand left to right. Looking at these two examples, we have the same numbers on both problems. But look at the signs. In the first problem, we have subtraction and addition. In the second problem, we have addition, then subtraction. You have to be careful because we always treat addition and subtraction at the same level. So we need to solve these two problems from left to right. Go ahead and try solving it. So in the first problem, if you solve it right, you get 5, and in the second problem, you get 11. Did you get it right? Let's do a big one. 6 plus parenthesis 4 times 2 parenthesis exponent 2 divided by 2 minus 3. So what is the first step you should take here? The first step is parentheses. You first need to solve within the parentheses. 4 times 2 will give you 8, and you will have your new problem. 6 plus parentheses 8 exponent 2 divided 2 minus 3. The next step will be exponents. So you need to solve for the exponents, which is 8 times 8, which will give you 64. Now that problem reduces to 6 plus 64 divided 2 minus 3. Ask yourself, what's the next step here? The next step we should take is 64 divided by 2. 64 divided by 2 will give you 32. Now it's 6 plus 32 minus 3. 6 plus 32 is 38. 38 minus 3 will be 35. Your answer should be 35. Did you get 35? If not, go back and watch each step. This is how you master PEMDAS. Now's your turn. Try solving these and type your answers in the comments. 6 plus 3 times 2 plus 4. I'll give you a few seconds, then we'll go over them together. First, we need to solve within the parentheses. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we have 7 plus 3 times 6. We need to multiply. 3 times 6 will be 18. 7 plus 18 equal 25. Here's another problem. First, solve the parentheses. 5 plus 5 will be 10. Now you will have this expression. Now you need to solve for exponents. 10 times 10 will be 100. Now 100 divided 5 minus 1. You need to divide 100 divided by 5, which will be 20 minus 1. Your final answer should be 19. Here's another problem. 8 divided 3 times 2 plus 4. First, let's divide 18 divided by 3. That is 6 times 2 plus 4. Now let's multiply 6 times 2, which will be 12. Let's add 12 plus 4, which will be 16. Let's be real, PEMDAS can trick people because it looks like you do all multiplication first. But remember, it's about the order of operations and the direction. The real rule is parentheses exponents, then multiply, divide left to right, then add, subtract left to right. That's why writing it as PE parentheses MD parentheses AS is more helpful. Think of solving math like reading a sentence. You don't skip around, you read from left to right. Same with math. PEMDAS is the grammar rule. Try this on your own. Pause now and comment your answer. I will reveal my answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your final answer should be 24. Still confused? Rewatch the examples or drop your question in the comments and someone might reply to you or help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.